Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. I apologize for the delay. Things are going pretty wild on the phones, online, emails, messages. Everything is blowing up. The reviews are going nuts. Everyone's asking for everything, and it's getting difficult to try to keep up with everything. Anyway, I'm here. I'm with you. We've got another record-breaking highs today. As you can see, the portfolio is literally exploding as we speak. Look at it now. This is my overall portfolio. Started with $5,000. We're at $58,554. Starting to compound now. It's starting to really come up now. We've got so much dividend stocks coming in as well. So very, very exciting. $550 over the next couple of weeks coming in just on dividends alone. So we're really starting to grow. This is very, very exciting, and we're all doing it together. So if you're very first time here, click subscribe and ring the bell. We got more reviews to look at today. And so we're very excited about that as well. So at the end of the show, this video, this live event will go directly to our latest review. Lunar, we're talking space. We're talking visiting the moon tonight. Here is the review. It'll go live straight at the end of the show. Let me pin it to the top. I've given it you 3 times so you can see it. There it is. Pin it to the top. This is for Steve Wally. Is Steve Wally in the show? Because this is your event tonight. Steve Wally's not here yet, so that's hopefully he'll join us in a few moments' time, and we can share that with you. So that's happening tonight. Let me just share with you the video, what it looks like, what we're looking at tonight. And then it will go straight into another review 45 minutes later. All right, so this is the review we've got tonight, which is Lunar. Here we go. Let me share with you on the screen what we're talking about. Come on, speed up. There we go. That's better. Let me give you this. This is what we're talking about. This is Lunar tonight. This is what we're going to go to straight at the end of this show. Lunar in intuitive machines, and then we'll go into Enovix, which is ENVX. That'll go straight afterwards. Remember, all members can have their very own reviews, and the reviews are getting so much coverage now that even these small ones, everyone's sharing it, buying the stock. It's absolutely great. I love it. Very exciting. So if you want a review, jump on board. We do have in the review list now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 right now. So we're about 2 weeks out at the moment for the bottom of the list. If you want to go to the top, you do a super chat and you can jump to the top. But these are what's coming up afterwards. We've just put out Future Faraday, some breaking news today. Faraday Future, FFIE, we put some news out today you might want to go and look at. We also put out a Virgin Galactic video as well you might want to go and look at as well. We just put out a Virgin Galactic short support. As you can see, we're getting that today. So all of that is coming up at the end of this live event with you right now. Okay. Let's have a look. Raman Wasarij, how are you this afternoon? Sam, there's the man himself. How's it going, Captain Fantastic? How's the Tesla Jam? Tesla Jam is jamming. We're jamming. We're jamming. We're jamming. Yep, Tesla's looking great today, up 4% today. Very, very good. Welcome, Sam. Good evening, Martin. Just to advise you to look into Astra, ASTR. I think it's worth it. Galilus, if you want me to do a stock review, you'll have to be a member. As I just said, there's about 15, 16 in a list. Right now, I only do stock reviews for my members. I'd love to review it, make a video on it, study it. Here is the, with our new algorithmic software, there is the invitation to become a member should you wish me to have a look at it for you. Tio Roll, say I love it. See you, say I love it more than loving it. I love it. I'm loving it. Hey, don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. We've got our very own range of goods here. I'm loving it. There you go. There's our hand embroidered fleece. There's our mug with the love on it. I'm loving it. If you want to go and check out the latest stuff in the shop, there it is. I'll give you the link for it right now. I'm loving it. All right. There you go. Let's carry on. What else have we got here? Hey, mister. What do you think about the Tilray future? Blue, I'm not really a fan, I've got to be honest, of Erwin Simon. I think he ruined the company when he diversified too much. And he diluted the stock at the wrong time. So I'm not a true fan, to be honest with you. I'm not an investor anymore either. I'm out of the stock, so no, I'm not. I can do a full review for you, a full back test, balance sheet, margin, the financials, who's buying and selling the stock on the inside. I can share all that information, do a full review for you. If you are one of my members, 98% of our viewers are members, the highest engagement rate of any channel on YouTube. Yes, we are proud of that title. Carrying on, jamming song. Don't forget the microphone effect. Oh, what is this? Okay, here we go. The microphone effect. We got the echo. Jamming, I'm a jamming. There we go. No more of this silliness. Whose show is this anyway? We got silliness going on here. Sam says he wants the effect. Mark Saxby, good afternoon. All glad to be back. Glad to be back as away for a week, visiting Martyn's home state. Lovely stuff. Even got to see the Starship launch for a second time while there. Absolutely wonderful. Great, Mark Saxby. Lovely to have you back. Hi all, I got my new mug and hoodie just added to the breakfast bar. It was before noon. Here. Let's have a look. Breakfast bar. We've got a new picture. Let's have a look. I'm very excited. Here we go. Oh, yes. This is a great picture. This is a great picture. We've got to use this. We have got to use this. Look at this. Zach8 has just bought, he's got the white mug with, I think Virgin Galactic's on the other side. And look at this. Virgin Galactic to $100. Look at that. Signed. I've signed it. Look, it's got my name on it. Martyn Lucas. There's the rocket. I'm loving it. Fantastic. Look. That is absolutely brilliant. Virgin Galactic to $100. And there it is. There it is. Look at that. I'm loving it. Right. Good stuff. Thank you. Thanks for sharing that. Let me grab that picture. Save image. Zach, gotta save that. Save that as a JPEG. There we go. Save it there. Got it. Use the JPEG. Yes, I'll have it. There you go. Very nice indeed. We've got to give that some love as well, right? Love. There you go. It's all in the bank. Right. Brilliant. Let's have a quick look here. Let's go back to my main portfolio, see how we're doing. For those of you who just tuned in, we are breaking records again today. Proudly part of the 2% of viewers who are non-members. Sammy, why on earth would you be proud to be part of the 2% who are non-members? I get the funniest comments on my show. I don't want to be. I had a girlfriend like that once years ago. She said, I don't want an iPhone. I don't want to be like you. I said, okay, then fine. I'm not going to follow the trend. I'm not going to be like you with an iPhone. All right, then. So what are you going to do then? I'm going to get a Galaxy. So you're going to get an Android. Yeah. You know, half the world have Androids. Well, that's not the point. Well, the other half have iPhones. So unless you're going to make a phone out of wood and chisel it out of a piece of stone to be original and just you, the only one, you're going to be part of the club, whether you like it or not. So I reckon Sammy's one of those. Sammy says, I'm proud to be part of the 2% of the viewers who are non-members because I don't want you to celebrate my birthday. I don't want to win cash in the cash prizes. I don't want your newsletter. I don't want you to review a stock so I can learn about a stock and make money. I don't want you to answer my questions. I don't want you to help me grow on social media. I don't want you to support my charities and help me support charities. I don't want you to promote my business. I don't want you to put my YouTube channel on your homepage. I don't want any of that. I don't want you to speak to me, and I don't want to see exclusive content that nobody else can see. I don't want any of that. Fine. Fair enough then. Don't have it. I love it. I love people say stuff like that. All right, okay. Let's have a look. Gas prices have fallen 5%. Good time to buy. Ramen. There is always a great energy here. Hello, everyone. Always great energy until we're brought down by someone who says, I'm proud to be part of the 2%. And we also have members and family in 46 countries around the world. I don't want to be part of those 46 countries. I don't want to be part of that. I'm not interested in any of that. I love it. Looking forward to the ML coin, for when the crypto launch. I don't have possibility. I don't have the possibility to be a member. Yes, you do. Everybody does. But would be happy to support that way, the most honest channel on YouTube TV. Sea Lover, of course you are. Every country in the world. We've even got people from Russia who are members, and YouTube said they can't even be involved that way. You can. You just use a VPN. A VPN. You put yourself in any country you want. So absolutely anyone could be a member. Don't give me that. Anyway, there'll be a Luca coin, a Martyn Lucas coin. Absolutely right. Anyway, I've just got another bit of information come into the breakfast bar. Oh, I received my mug as well. Look at this. I got some great pictures. These are going to be the new pictures. Look at this. Stephen Lewandowski, Virgin Galactic to $100. Signed, sealed, delivered. There it is. $100. He's got his $100 Virgin Galactic to $100. Look at this. I'm loving it. Hang on. Let me just take a picture of that. Save image as Stephen. Oh, yes. Stephen JPEG. There we go. Stephen JPEG. You'll be known forever now as Stephen JPEG. There you go. There is Stephen. And he's also... Look at this. This is coffee collection. I'm telling you. There are people here, look, who've got the whole flipping series. Nearly. He hasn't got everyone. He hasn't got the I'm loving it one. So, when we get 1 million subscribers and he puts them on eBay, they'll be going, where's your I'm loving it? It's not available anymore now. He's discontinued it. Didn't you buy one of those? And you'll go, no, I didn't. No, I forgot about that. I love it. So there we go. Let me give that a nice big thumbs up. I love all this. Can all my members go and like all these pictures for Stephen? Come on. Go into Discord and like, get involved. You know what? The more love you give, the more you win. If you don't clap, you don't win. That's what I was told years ago when I used to call the bingo. 2 and 2, 22. If you don't clap, you don't win. Right, okay, here we go. Talking of birthdays, mine's coming up on the 7th of December. Mark Saxby, are you a member? Yes. Would you be here? Yes. Let's celebrate your birthday then. Of course we will. Speaking of energy, could you do 22 push-ups live for a good cause? Well, yeah, I can, but I can do 22 push-ups. No problem at all. What's the point? What if I do 22 push-ups, what are you going to do? What's going to happen if I do? LOL, yes, loving it. Right. Getting confused. I'm loving it. Everyone's loving it. Right, we're going up now. Here we go. We're breaking all-time records again. 58,587. We like that. Someone said to me today, will it reach 60,000? I went, no, not a bloody chance. There's no reason for my portfolio to hit 60,000 today. So no. No is the answer to that. No is the answer to that. Anyway, we've got, have we got in the house, have we got Steve Wally? I'm calling out for members now. Steve Wally. Is Steve Wally in the house? No, he is not. Is Indie Bones in the house? Indie Bones in the house? No, Indie Bones is not in the house. Is Stephen Wong in the house? No, he's not in the house. This is rubbish. Mitch ML. No, Mitch NL is not in the house. Flipping heck. Look at all these people. Wade Van Isen. Is Wade Van... No, he's not here. Got so many members. Look, there's so many people. You wouldn't even know they're not even here. What's going on? I'm calling everyone's name out. And I need to let you know about your videos that are done and available. Okay, here we go. How are we? Robbie Cooper. I am well. How are you, mate? How are you? Tio Roll. Super Chat. 22. Yeah. $22 gets you to... Oh, I'm here. Wade Van Isen. Right, Wade Van Isen. Your Coca-Cola video is done. It's out. Wade Van Isen, your Coca-Cola video is out. I don't know if you've seen it. Let me just share with you on the screen. There is your Coca-Cola video. If you go to the homepage of the channel, go to videos, and there it is. Now I've told you, I can delete it off the list. It's done. Click share, promote it, let the world know. I've watched the Coca-Cola video already. Okay, good. Right, let me delete that off the list because now I wanted you to know it was done. So there you go. Right, fan-flipping-tastic. Right, okay, moving along swiftly. Tonight at the end of the show, I've just put out Virgin Galactic's short support, the Faraday good news. This is happening at 4 p.m., an hour and a half from now, NOVIX, and that was for Indie Bones, trying to get hold of him. And Intuitive Machines is out in 55 minutes, right at the end of this show. And that was for Steve Wally. That's why I was calling him out to see if he was here as well. Right, let's just check in on the breakfast bar. Congratulations, Stephen. Did you see all these pictures? Isn't they brilliant? Look at this. Virgin Galactic to 100. This is Stephen Lewandowski. It's all signed and everything. He's loving it. Right. Okay, how many we got in right now? Right, we got 37 watching the show right now. I know why. It's not very. It's quiet. When I put premieres out before the show, people are watching the premieres. So let's see if we can get some likes on it quickly, and then we'll go through our stocks and have a little look. 38, let's call it 40. So 20 likes would be 50%. We got 24. We've smashed the 50%. Fantastic, we're on 24. Can we get one more like? 25 would be great. If you want to get any of those mugs, they're just below the video. There you go. All right. Let's have a look. 38 watching. 25, we did it. We did it in like 5 seconds. That was good. So we could stop that. We could stop that. No point carrying that on. Right, brilliant. That was good. Let's have a quick look. 12,086. We're growing quickly. We're going to hit 13,000 probably in a month. We're getting faster and faster and faster all of the time. What's being searched now? What does everybody want to know about most? We've got Virgin Galactic is top of the list again. That's being searched for most. Fetch, FTCH, that new stock I just covered. Uber, FFIE is getting some attention this afternoon. All right. Just to see what's going on. The 22 push-up. Hang on a minute. What's going on here? Thanks. Watch the Coca-Cola bud already. Okay, good. The 22 push-up challenge is used to be done for raise awareness for veterans. Hang on. The 22 push-up challenge is used to be done for raise awareness for veteran suicide prevention. Well, what do you want me to do? How can I help? Tio Roll, how can I help? What can I do to help? Fan-flipping-tastic, says Mike, to raise awareness. I'm happy to do anything you want. What is it you want me to do? Blooming marvellous, mate. MSK, let's have a look. What's that? What's he saying? What's MSK saying? Let's have a look. Dividends. What's going on with dividends? Getting some attention this afternoon. I have no idea what's going on here. We're having a private conversation on my show. Using my show, please do 51 handed press ups. I can't do 51 handed press ups. I absolutely guarantee you I can't do 51 hand press ups. I'm not even going to attempt it. I know it's not possible. At least not for me anyway. So, right, let's have a quick shout out to our family around the world. Let's pop into Rumble. Let's get ready to rumble. Hi all. Let's say hello to Rumblers. We're also on Kick. There you are. We're streaming on Kick. Hello. There you go. We're new to Kick. Look, I'm testing it out. I've not even told anybody about Kick, have I? I've just been testing it out. Look, this is my dashboard here, just running it in the background to sort of see what it was like. Hello, Kicksters. How are you? Give us a wave, Kicksters. Come in the chat and say hello. If anyone says hello, I'll put a hello there. Let's see. Hello, first time on Kick. It's not the first time. It's the third day now. I've just been doing it. There you go. I'm in the chat. Come and say hello. Hello, Kicksters. All right, let's pop into say hello to my Facebook audience. Let's have a look and say hello to them and my ex accounters. Okay, here we go. Portfolio's hitting record high. That's good. Give us a quick like. There we go. Let's drop into X and say hello to you. Have I got any comments to answer? Any questions to answer? Thanks, everyone. The competition for the Fan of the Years is hotting up. I want to thank a few followers who've just followed me. Sarabi has just followed me. Got another young lady here. We've got not that many ladies follow our channel, so it's very nice that we're getting more ladies now. Nerd with a twist, true crime enthusiast, Taylor Swift devotee. I love it. I don't do any Taylor Swift songs, so you got no chance there. Want to thank Jen Driverman, another lady perhaps has just followed me. Getting lots of ladies follow the show right now. Also reposted. Thank you very much for that. All right, if you answer, give me a comment. I'll always reply to my members. All right, now then. Let's get back to it. We've got Palantir just falling off. The overall portfolio is record highs. Amazon and S&P, we're waiting for it to come down to buy it. They're all coming down. My solar is going up just for Kickstarters. Yes, we are the Kickstarters. And shall I give... I don't even know. Do you know what? I don't even know. Is it kick.com? Don't even know. I don't even know what my account is. I'm just been testing it. It's Martyn Lucas Investor, obviously. I always use the same name. It's always really me. Which is kind of obvious. Look, there you go. There's me on Kick. Let's see if I can. I tell you what. Just for a laugh, let's see if I get any followers. How many followers do I have? I've got, where does it say how many followers I got? Does it say how many followers I got? Oh, zero. Zero followers. I've got no followers. I'm very, very unpopular on Kick. Got none at all. No one even cares. All right. You watch. Mike is going to be the first person to become a member of mine on Kick. There you go. I'll give it 3 times. I'll put it in Kick, in the chat in YouTube. I'll also go to, it looks just like Rumble, doesn't it? It looks just like Rumble. There's my Kick account. Let's see if that works. I'll go into Facebook. There you go. I'll give them my Kickster as well. And I'll also go, oh my God, isn't life complicated, folks? Do you really want to live in my world? No way. It's crazy. And there's Kick. There you go. Let's see what happens. Right, let's go back to Kick now. Have I got any followers? No, none. 3 days and I've only got none. You'd have thought by now I'd have had 1 million, wouldn't you? Really? In like 3 days, you'd think by now. All right, we'll come back in a minute. Hey! Trackleberry, who's got a little bouncing guinea pig. He's just popped in to say hello. You're the very first person. You're not following me though. 3 viewers and no followers. What do you have to do to get followers? Do you have to jump up and down, stand on your head? I don't know what you got to do. We'll come back to that in a minute. We'll come back to it. We'll see how it works. I'm only testing it out. Right, next era energy going up. End phase energy. We've got half an hour before the bell goes. If you've just tuned in, we're consistently beating Warren Buffett, consistently beating the market. Overall, on average, as you can see, we're at 58,554. Started with just $5,000 2.5 years ago, and we are loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. All right. Okay. Hello, says James. Hello, James. How are you? Good to see you, mate. Good to see you. Now then, we've got to... is Steve Wally in the house? Calling out all of you this afternoon. Steve Wally, are you in the house? No. Indie Bones, are you in the house? Doesn't look like it. And Stephen Wong in the house? No. Mitch NL? No. Okay, I'm trying to track down these people. Trying to track them down. We've got our lunar. We're going to the moon in a minute. Literally, we're going to the moon in 45 minutes. There's our lunar review. If you want to join me for the world premiere for that. When is space going to $100? I'm getting you're getting very what? Impatient. Well, you're never going to make any money then. If you're impatient with the stock market and impatient with Virgin Galactic, you might as well pack it up right now, mate, because you got no chance. You got no chance if you're impatient now and if you're expecting it all to go up straight away. You got no chance, mate. I'm telling you. You got to have patience. Mike, Tilray, crap, not touching it. Tilray, yeah, I'm completely out of the stock. I did warn you when Erwin Simon changed his directive. That was it for me. I thought, sod it. I'm not interested anymore. This is ridiculous. So I'm out of it. I don't intend to get back in again. I don't see any point. Anyway, just thought I'd let you know. I'm great, thanks. Hope you are too. Yes, I'm all right. MSK said, crap, not touching that. Yes, it's no good. Virgin Galactic, Palantir, gold, the S&P, it's all coming down today. See, Amazon, you've only got to look at the numbers, and that's why we have this software that we use. That's why everyone is signing up for the software. That's why it's so useful, because at the end of the day, it's just not... you just got to look at numbers and things like SHOT. In fact, should we have a quick look at SHOT? Let's see what SHOT's doing today. Safety SHOT. Yeah, see, it's all gone back down now. A load of rubbish. Because it doesn't make any sense. There's no financial reason to own it. But of course, people don't listen. They're not interested in the numbers, not interested in the facts. They're just interested in joining fan clubs. Well, I'm trying to present the information, giving you the best numbers, the best facts, and that's how I trade. Anyway, I'm now getting very frustrated because I'm looking at my kick. I've got 2 viewers. Mike's there. Mike, become my first follower, Mike. Look, Mike, 0 followers. Become the first follower on Kick. Yay! I've got a follower on Kick now. That's it. I'm famous now. That's it now. I have got followers on every single platform in the world. It's without doubt. 37,000 on TikTok, and we got 2 on Kick. I knew it. I knew we could master it. I knew we could do it. There we go. We're celebrating. Tackleberry's giving it. Look at this. Tackleberry's getting all excited now. Who's Tackleberry? I want to know who Tackleberry is. Tackleberry's jumping up and down going, well done. Well done for your 2 followers. You know what this means, Mike, right? You know what this means, Mike? You got to keep like 10 everything open at once. You need to buy some more computers, right? I've got a link to that on my Amazon shop. So if anybody wants to buy 10 computers each, I was signing up. Well, you've done it now, ain't you? Patience is your best friend. It is. But James ain't got patience. He says, he says, only kidding. I'd love to see it to go to 10 within next year. Well, that's no doubt about it. There's no doubt about it. We're starting to get into the squeeze now. It's starting to get into the squeeze. You see it? Starting to hit the highs now. So it won't take long and we'll start getting a full-on squeeze. When it proper squeezes, you'll see it go up 30%, 40% in a day. That's when you'll start to see it really start to take off. So get ready for the drama. J.S. James, who's this? we're having a right old fun and games here. The people on Kick are going, who's this bloke here? Just come in here. Look at this. So I give everybody, sod it. I'm going to go all out. I'm going to go all out. Here we go. There's my, everybody sign up for Kick right now. I want to go from 0 to 100 subscribers, followers, straight away on the first day. That's what Mr. B says. He says, if I open a channel, I get 100 viewers straight away. But 1 million, sorry, not 100. I use Kick a lot. Well, there you go. Tackleberry, first to follow. Tackleberry was the first person. Tackleberry, you're gonna get a prize. I can't think what that prize is, but I'll think of something. All right. Virgin Galactic is breaking again now. It's your show, Martin. It is. You tell him. Mike, can I make Mike a moderator? Hang on, what's this? But pin message. I'm going to pin him. There you go. I've pinned Mike. Mike. What can I do with Mike? I can delete him. I won't delete him. I could, though. I could delete him. Hang on. Follow. Report. Mute. Ban. Time out. I can't make you a moderator. You probably got to get 100 followers before I can do stuff like that. But Mike, I'd love to do it. I'll make you a moderator. Moderation dashboard. What does that mean? Moderation dashboard. Oh, I don't know. Mike, let me click on Mike. No, I can't do anything, Mike. You're not that important yet, according to this. According to this, Mike, you're not that important, so I'm not going to bother. Right. Okay, next question. We are reciting your catchphrases. Who is? Where? Who's reciting my catchphrases? Good evening, all. Evening, all. Tilray is a burn now. Holy moly. What's going on? Tilray. Yeah, it's a waste of time. Not in it anymore. I told everybody a long time ago why. I was signing up on Kick. Mike's taking too long. Patience is your best friend. From 0 to hero on Kick. Chris C. Have you joined in? And Angel Kovac. There is going to be a massive meetup at Santa Con NYC for GameStop. I'm dressing up as Roaring. Oh my God. Don't get involved in that. Don't get involved in all that. I hope you come and spread the word. I'm not going anywhere near pump and dump scam stocks. We've got a reputation here. I aim to be the most honest, real, live YouTube TV channel in the world. And you'd never see me standing next to Roaring Kitty or Matt Cause. Not in a million years. Because this channel is about honesty and doing the right thing. And there's no way you're going to see me at a GameStop event. I've got to be honest, because that's designed for people who want to get rich in 5 minutes, self-indulgent, greed, manipulation, lies, making up stories on Reddit. No, you'll never ever see me in a place like that. Absolutely not. Thank you for the invitation, but I will pass if that's all right with you. All right, we're here to make money, not to gamble. I've been called out now, so need to join. Chris C. Yes, you've been called out. You're in trouble now. Chris C. And I don't actually see you. I don't see you in Kick either. I'm looking. Look, this is my Kick stream, right? I don't see you in here. I don't see you. Look, if I go down, I've got 3 followers now. 3. Tackleberry was first. Mike was second. I don't know who was third. I've got no idea who was third. But doesn't it look just like Rumble? That's the same. It's the same. Look, Rumble, Kick. It might be because it's my broadcast, to be fair, my broadcast is going to look the same on both channels. To be fair, it might be that. I'm not, not getting too excited about that. Anyway, right, back to our portfolio. We're hitting all-time highs every few minutes now. Look, shall we have a little bet? 58,699. I said there was no way I'd make 60,000 today, and I'm standing by that. But, yeah. Who is driving Virgin Galactic up? Nothing to do with me, Lance. Don't look at me. Don't blame me. It's nothing to do with me. It's kind of what space is looking flat. What do you mean space is looking flat? What planet are you on? Chris Pickering? Yeah, it's rubbish. It's rubbish. What am I now? I'm up 34%. Yeah, it's rubbish. It's rubbish. So I wouldn't buy it, no. Here we go. Gone Postal. I subscribe because your British access makes you sound brilliant. Do you mean my accent? Never heard of you before, but I will watch when I can. I did get lucky with AMC and GameStop, but playing smarter now. Yeah, we don't do that. Gone Postal. We do not do anything to do with pump and dump stocks. Let me just tell you exactly what you've just walked into, just so you know what this is. My name is Martyn Lucas. Yes, that's my real name, unlike Roaring Kitty pretending to be someone else and everybody else. This is my real name, Martyn Lucas. I was voted by Elton John as the world piano man. I've toured 195 countries. I do tributes. I did Matthew Perry from Friends. I did Sir Bobby Charlton. There we go. Earth Song for those in Gaza and Israel. Heal the World. I did the voice of Michael Jackson. This is me here. We do live events all the time. I was the Phantom of the Opera. I did a Vegas show. I did a Vegas show with the Vegas Showgirls. Look, this is me with my Vegas Showgirls. Look, this is who I am. These are my showgirls here. This is the British Philharmonic Orchestra, and I've toured 195 countries all over the world. And yeah, I did Jimmy Buffett. I did a tribute for Jimmy Buffett. All kind of things. I've got an album on Amazon and iTunes and God knows where else. And if you want to subscribe to my music channel, there it is. Every Friday night, we do a live request show. Every Friday night from the studio behind me, just behind here, back over there. We do a live TV show every Friday night. And I set up this channel because I wanted to build an audience like I had with my music. Real live audience. Not trying to sell videos. I hate the word YouTuber. I'm not a YouTuber. I've been a live performer for 38 years, toured 195 countries, which, yes, is every country of the world. Been everywhere. And I decided to build a TV studio and bring the best, most honest, most real, live TV show in the world. Live up to 10 hours a day, every day. I've been here for 2.5 years. I've grown my portfolio from $5,000 to $58,000, and I want to share the real information. And I've got real contacts at all the companies that I buy. So Richard Branson played my Virgin Galactic song at breakfast. Not today's breakfast, a few months ago. I have friends with every single company. I share with you all the information that I have. It's designed to be the most honest channel on YouTube. I'm not trying to sell videos. I don't sell training programs. That's why 98% of my live viewers are members. Higher engagement rate than Mr. Beast. Higher engagement rate than Meet Kevin or BitBoy Crypto. 98% are members, and the reason for that is we go live every day up to 10 hours, and it's not about making videos, it's not about selling stuff, it's about building a real audience. And on this show, we've had the saddest occasions, we've had the happiest occasions, and we're here for everybody. Everyone has a voice, everyone can call into the show. It's not my show. Talking of which, let me open up the broadcast lounge. Any of my members now can call in. And the reason why we have a membership program is the members support the live shows. I don't make money from live shows. I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for the members, okay? But to give back, I give back at least 20 times what you put in. I make videos for you, do full reviews on stocks for you, do fundraisers for you. I've literally raised millions of dollars for charities over the years on my music channel, and now I'm doing a lot more of that as well now. So anyway, that's what this channel is about. So Gone Postal, lovely to have you here, but I just want to make absolutely clear, we will never touch anything like GameStop. I will bring you information on AMC, I will bring you information on GameStop, but it will be the truth. It won't be somebody who's pretending to be somebody like Roaring Kitty, who in fact was a stockbroker, trying to build his channel and making money out of everybody. My real name is Martyn Lucas, after George Lucas, because my godfather was Kenny Baker, R2D2, the man inside the robot. And this is my real studio in Dallas, and I'm live every day. So I will never promote or pump or dump anything. This is my real money, my real trades that you're seeing. I share with you my entire portfolio, exactly how much money's in my bank account, everything, you know, everything. People have my cell phone number, they have my email, and everything. This is the real deal, right? Anyway, accent, he said, sorry, that's all right. Jackson Vahu bought GameStop this morning. Why is everybody talking about GameStop and this cutting into profit, unlike space, which is ridiculous? That is the most ridiculous information I've ever heard in my life. GameStop is effectively a bankrupt company. I don't know what you're talking about. Are you bullish on gold? I think gold is a good asset to own at the right time. I'm giving everyone the chance to speak here for the moment, but in a minute we'll go members only if we get constant nonsense like GameStop. GME has a real tried and battle-tested management behind it. Saved the company from bankruptcy 2 years ago and moved beyond retail gaming. I don't care. I can share with you the full. We've got the most advanced algorithmic software on planet Earth here. I will share with you. Hang on a minute. Let me share with you. I'll have a quick look. GameStop. GameStop, GME. Hang on, bear with me a second. Okay. This is the sort of software that I have to hand. All right. This is all facts, numbers. This is not Roaring Kitty rubbish. This is not pumping and dumping. I can share with you the financials of this company. I can share with you the balance sheet, the efficiency of the company, insider trading, profitability, 27% out of 100. I can produce that. I can also produce the upside from the Wall Street, 3% at average and 53 at worst. Rubbish. That's a fact. I can share with you who's buying and who's selling. Insider trading. I can tell you who's selling and who's buying exactly. I can give you all this information all in one place here. I can share you the negative sentiment around the company, the real news, what's really going on. And I'm telling you right now, I wouldn't touch stuff like this with a barge pole. 22% short interest, 22.34. I know the inside selling, the inside buying, the numbers, the balance sheet. We're not here as a fan club. We are here to bring real information to those who really want the actual news, not the nonsense and the rubbish. But anyway, I can give you access to that software. All my members get a free plan of this, and if you want a premium plan, my members get a lifetime discount, which makes my membership free. I'm always giving it all away, not selling anything, unless you want to buy one of my mugs or a t-shirt. And as you saw earlier, everybody does. Anyway, what you're saying is numbers wise, no real investor will touch GameStop. All right, I'm not interested in that at all. 14-cent swing today for Virgin Galactic. 14-cent swing, yes, very nice, isn't it? Enjoy the channel, just got into trading. Tackleberry, 1911, how are you? I thought might be breaking, but higher. If I'm not sure what that means, just repeat that. Are you the guy that walked into a random pub and just started playing the piano and got everyone fired up? I just may have seen a video of you before. Holy freaking moly. Well, Gone Postal, if you join me on Friday for my live concert in the studio, right, this is our next concert here. Right, I'll give you the link right now. I will do the Piano Man for you. I will sing the Piano Man for you live, and I'll put your name in the song, and you can then own the video. How about that? Let me give you the link. I do 14 voices, 7 different languages, and 650 songs. There's the concert for Friday. Countdown to Christmas. Come and join us. All right. Okay, let me... what did I just do then? That was a mistake. I shouldn't have zoomed that out so much. There we go. Getting all excited now. Let me just tidy that up a little bit. Zoom in a bit more. I don't know why I just zoomed out there. That was me doing me messing around. Right, anyway, there we go. I think I'm right now. Joined on Kick now. That was a hassle, was it? Shall I have a look on Kick? We've got 10 minutes to go. We got a big review coming up. Let's have a look on Kick. Here we go. Let's have a look. Let's see. Let's see what's going on here. Right, 3 followers. Let me click the refresh. You've got to refresh this. 4 followers. There you go. I'm famous now. I've got 4 followers. Henrik, look at that. Don't leave YouTube, for God's sake. Don't do that. Don't do that. Yeah, don't do that, whatever you do. That's not going to be good for me at all. If everybody watches me on Kick, I'm going to get very upset. I'll just pull the plug on it. You got to watch me on YouTube, otherwise it ain't going to work. Right, okay, Randy. Hey, Martyn, Plug is having a nice little bounce. I wonder if it will sustain. The trouble is with Plug, it's the CEO. People don't trust the CEO. I'm very happy with this. It's very, very nice. It's done very, very well today. This is my Plug position, my real money, my real shares, $3,000 in Plug. This is my real money, my real shares. Oh, yes. And another $600 there. So what? That's $3,500 in Plug. It's great. I like it. Just down the road is where the hydrogen plant is here in Texas, where I am now. So I've got my eye on it. 32 is still the record on the Music Friday. I know. 32. Oh, hang on, Mike. Was you on Friday? Didn't we beat it on Friday? Didn't we get 34 on Friday? Was you there on Friday, Mike? I think it was 34. Anyway, next week let's hope gets towards 270. What, Virgin Galactic? Yeah, could do that easily. Delta ships cost between 50 and 60 million each and will be a game changer for the company as far as being profitable. Absolutely right, but you have to have patience though. Hello everyone, a man from Earth. Randy B, yes, go Plug. Sam, I believe that once Virgin Galactic, they can fly consistently, someone's going to invest more money to help that happen and Virgin Galactic will soar like never before. Yes, go Plug. Mike, Stephen, I am bouncing. I am buying GameStop dips, undervalued share price, given the strong balance sheet. This company is an easy 3x. It's not a strong balance sheet. Have you read the balance sheet? I've just shown you the fundamentals. I've just shown you the fundamentals. It's got 23 million debt of 23 million point 6. It's not a good business. It's got 23.5% short interest. Why are people constantly trying to promote junk? Don't do it on my show. Go and do it on Matt Cause. Go and do it on Roaring Kitty if you can get out of prison. Don't do it. Don't do it on my show, right? Because I'll just turn I'll go back to members only. We're not pumping. You've come across the wrong show. We are investors and we are known to be the most honest channel on YouTube TV. Facts are the facts. Earnings are the earnings. And space will be next Tesla. Space is a long-term hold for years. Investors need to do the homework on the company. Tim, the people that are talking rubbish about GameStop at the moment are not members. That's the point. You get all kinds of people trying to talk rubbish. What do you think of Plug today, mate? Bought again today, literally at rock bottom. Congratulations. I'm holding my Plug. I'm not buying any more because it would be irresponsible for me to go deeper in. I'm all in on margin, as you know, and so it's great. It can go to $7 or $8 very, very quickly. It's massively oversold, but that doesn't mean to say I'm going to buy any more. I don't need to buy any more. It would misbalance my portfolio if I did. Hey, old friend, a man from Earth, Chris Pickering, plus Newcastle beating PSG. All good. Let's hope we finish green. Mike, it's nice to see you here for sure. Randy B, I brought around 450, accumulating more this morning on the slump. Randy B, gone postal. Thanks, man. Glad I found this channel. Always looking for information. Well, if you become a member, Gone Postal, I will review any stock you want. I will give you a full review, like a 45 up to an hour video. Do the research, put the video out, and so on and so forth. Very, very happy to do that for you. Whoa! Plug is pumping. Plug is pumping now. Look at this. Great. Great, great, great. Let's look at my real money, my real shares, my real portfolio. There it is. We are now at 58,900. Look at that. Very, very nice. All from $5,000 live on the show. Hey, Martin, nice bounce today. I got SNL out of Rivian today, and then it retracted, but that's my only blip today. Got back in the plug and letting Hood run, of course. There it is, 58,900. Are we going to see 59,000 today on my portfolio? Would be very, very nice. I've never seen it. This is the highest I've ever been. All-time highs today. Robinhood, yes, we are about to bring Robinhood to the UK. I've got everybody waiting to get their free stock, their free referrals. We're about to give everybody free stock. Really excited about that. That's just it. That's imminent, days away. Kathy Wood's been buying it like crazy today. I've already got my position. I'm already in up to my ear rolls. I've got nearly $4,000 worth of it now, 451 shares. Kept buying it all the way down, and very, very nice indeed. Who will be your first in-studio guest? In-studio guest. I've had lots of people phone in, T.O. Roll. Lots of people have phoned into my show. I've had loads of people. Do you want to see a few? Do you want to see a few? Let's have a little look. Here we go. These are some of the people that have called into my show.
Follow Martyn's The Day Trader. You got to be in it to win it.
Welcome to the Day Trader, Martyn Lucas Channel. It's the most fun you can have doing daily trading, making money and having a laugh with a wonderful family. If you're not there, you're missing out. Join the Day Trader channel on YouTube. See you there.
Losing on Nvidia, I think you were right. It's overvalued. Of course it's overvalued. Just got to study the stock and look at the numbers and get to know the people on the ground. I reported over and over again, stop buying Amazon, stop buying Apple, stop buying Google, stop buying Nvidia. People don't listen. Kept on buying. What's the point of paying $10 for a can of Coke just because it's going up? I never buy when it goes up. I don't know how many people say to me, oh, I'll buy when it goes up. You're talking about yourself. Don't judge me the way you judge yourself. I will not be buying on the way up. I've done my research. I don't buy stocks. I don't buy shares. I buy companies. And I bought all in at J&J at the bottom. I went all in at Coca-Cola at the bottom. I went all in on Virgin Galactic at the bottom. I went all in on Plug at the bottom for my portfolio. And I'm just holding. It's quite straightforward, really. Oh, we've done it. We've done it. We are now at $59,000. There we go. $59,000. Let's hear from some more of our traders. There's Rob McLean in Scotland.
That you can have today is to join the Martyn Lucas show. Make yourself some money and have fun with a great group of friends at the same time. Go for it.
Farfetch update. Farfetch update. You want a Farfetch update? I've made a video for you. Roaring Kitty can naff off. Roaring Kitty, the very fact he didn't even use his own name, the very fact that he goes online and pretends to be someone else when he knows he's breaking the law, when he's actually a financial advisor. I mean, why would anyone follow him? People don't care, though. They just want to get rich. They just want to sell videos. They just don't care. Well, we're not doing that on this show. And to prove that it's exactly what this channel is all about, unlike any other channel on YouTube, we're not here to pump and dump. We're here to consistently beat the market, consistently beat Warren Buffett, and be the most honest channel on YouTube. If that's what you want, then you're in the right place. If you want pump and dump and rubbish, there's loads of people on Reddit and there's loads of scammers all over the place. Go and have a chat with them. I'm now going to go to members only, where I will lose viewers, I will lose money, but I don't care. I'm here for the quality of the show, not the numbers. So members only, here it comes in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go, members only. Farfetch update. Let me bring you this. Farfetch update. I put a Farfetch video. If you go onto here, if you go to my playlist, thank you very much.
Roaring Kitty can naff off.
Yes, get rid of him. Right, okay, here we go. You can look on my, there's Farfetch. There you go. There is my Farfetch analysis. Full analysis, full facts, full balance sheet, inside trading, who's buying, who's selling. Everything you need to know is in that video. From there, you can make an informed decision. Mike, wow, 1667. What's happened? What's Mike done? Is that plug? There's plug power. Farfetch update. I've just given you the link to Farfetch. GameStop is partnering with a certain cryptocurrency that is used for online gaming. That is why it's getting attractive. It's getting attractive to a load of crypto people will pump and dump it. I am not. And I repeat, I am not buying a single share of GameStop. I will do a review on it if any of my members ask for it, but I'm not going to promote it and pump it and stuff like that. Absolutely ridiculous. We would completely lose our credibility if we did that. FTCH, I've just given you the link for Farfetch. I've just given it to you. MSK is running now. Yes, plug up 11%. Riot could double again. MSK, I won't tell you my average then because you'll hate me. Missed fact, but GameStop has 72 out of 100 solvency score. Far from bankrupt company. Jackson Vahu. I just shared with you on the screen. I didn't miss anything. How could I miss it? I put it on the screen. How can I miss it? It's right there. I shared with you. Unlike Roaring Kitty and all the rubbish, I am sharing with you on the screen the real numbers. You carry on. You carry on. I've told you. Oh, the bell. I missed the flipping bell. I missed the bell getting into an argument with somebody who's on about GameStop. I cannot believe that's annoying. Missed the bell. Never mind. MSK plug is running now. Francesco. FTE. I've just told you several times about that one. Yes, exciting times. Someone's determined to get me to say Farfetch, and I've said it like 10 times. Take the 12% I would have done GameStop. Good luck to you. I was there on Friday with just a few. Remember, yes, Mike, I think you missed it. I think we did a record of 34. All thanks to this channel. Whoop-de-whoop. Lovely. Could we squeeze this week to space? Not yet, no. We don't have enough short interest. Do you want to know exactly how much short interest we have? Of course you do. Right. Here we go. This is the most advanced algorithmic software online. My members can get access and free plans to this. Here is Virgin Galactic. And if you scroll to the bottom of all the numbers, you will see right at the bottom in the reviews above CNBC and above Jim Cramer, Bloomberg, there are all my reviews. There's the letter to Michael Cole Glazier. There it is. There's the Virgin Galactic song playing actually on this review site. There it is. Can you get more involved than that? Not really. Okay. There's the earnings. There's the Virgin Galactic. We did it. Right? Talking about meme stock. There's the GameStop guy talking rubbish there. Look, they don't care. Let's have a look. Short interest. The short interest currently on Virgin Galactic is 20. It's not. It's gone down slightly. Some of the shorts have been shorted out already, but no, there's no massive short squeeze at the moment. It's happening so slowly that the shorts are getting squeezed very slowly. You're hardly noticing, other than the fact we're going up, but it's not exploding the way we wanted. There's not enough short interest right now. It's starting to be filtered out. So just to let you know, that's why we're not going to get an explosion. We're getting a steady growth. Remember Ed Sheeran on Friday? Yes, I did Ed Sheeran on Friday. Yes, I did. Remember? I found love. What? How does it go again? Dancing in the dark, dancing in the grass. I can't remember the words now. I need my music in front of me. But anyway, that's what we did on Friday. Yes, that's what we did. Zach's 34 last Friday. I thought so. I thought it was 34. It was a world record last Friday. Every Friday, we've beaten it now for like 3 weeks in a row. Thank goodness I'm long in space. Absolutely. It's up, flat on the after hours again. People on StockWits saying space will go bust next year should hear you. They have no idea what they're saying. Listen, Sea Lover. Here is me on StockTwits. I'm on StockTwits. I have the Lucas8 Army. Here is my StockTwits account. Let me give it to you right now. There we go. Everyone follow me on StockTwits if you've not already done it. Let me give it to my Facebookers. There you go. There's my Facebookers. I'll give it to my Kicksters. Here's the Kicksters. Here's my StockTwits. All right, there you go. There you go. And I'll give it to my Rumblers. There you go. There's my Rumblers. Right, here's my StockTwits account. Over on StockTwits, you get a lot of clowns. We've actually had them on the show, interviewed them on the show. They call in and they want to be, promoting whatever they want to promote or whatever. And I've interviewed people on StockTwits and said, do you know anything about the stock? Have you read the balance sheet? Do you know anything at all about the company? No, I don't care about that stuff. Hello? All I care about is it's great. It's got a great product. This is great. That's great. So you've not read the balance sheet. You don't know about who the insiders who are buying and selling. You don't know what the profit and loss is. You've not looked at the liabilities, the debt position, the margins, the competition. Nah, not interested in that. Really? That's not important to you then? No, not important to you. So the people on StockTwits and Reddit, and that's the only place they exist, right? They don't exist anywhere else. Right, you never find them on YouTube, an actual platform that is active, and it requires work to build a platform and build an audience. You won't find them there. You'll find them on places where they can just set up an account and have a voice in 3 seconds because nobody else, it's not a big community or whatever. And they're all making up rubbish and nonsense. And they're always telling me that, I'm going to lose all my money and this is all rubbish and blah, 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 blah. And it just continues on and on and on. And it is what it is. But anyway, if you want to know what's... And that's why I'm on StockTwits. Because I want to know who's shorting. Because I want to know all the information. I collect information. I'm absorbing information from everybody, from every source. So I can identify what the market is actually happening what's actually happening in the market. So Sea Lover, you do need to know what's going on StockTwits. So join my army and you can. How would you recommend we can balance our portfolio? Which sectors are you in? I don't want to keep getting into too many stocks in the same sector. You need to have a diverse portfolio, but having a diverse portfolio, Jordan, doesn't mean having everything of everything, because otherwise, just buy the S&P 500. We've run out of time now, but ask me tomorrow on the next show and I will tell you how to balance your portfolio, how to have a diverse portfolio, at the same time though, be able to achieve your goals with some growth. Otherwise, just buy the S&P 500 and be done with it. But if you do need to grow a portfolio ahead of the S&P in time, because maybe you've only got 20 years to grow a portfolio, maybe you're 40 years of age and you want money by the time you're 60, you do need some growth. However, you've got to have balance and a diverse portfolio, but diverse portfolio doesn't just mean buy everything. As I say, if you're going to buy just everything, then you might as well just buy, the S&P 500 and be done with it. Anyway, Mike is trying to win an award for Fan of the Year. We've got a trophy for our number one fan, whoever engages the most. Mike has just gone into StockTwits and thought, right, I'm going to like and repost everything. Look, Mike has just earned a bucket load of points on our algorithm software, which tells me who's engaging. He's just gone in and liked and commented on just about everything. I love it. Nice one, Mike. Right, we're running out of time. Zach 8 Mike, GameStop to the moon, says Chris Pickering. Oh my God. Or $100 super chat. What's that for? 59 twos of dollars. 59 twos of dollars. Yes. Roaring Riot blockchain. Can we do a review when we get a chance? I know the list is long. Riot blockchain. Chris Pickering. Yes, I'll add that to the list. Let me write it down. Chris Pickering wants a review of Riot blockchain. Okay, on the list. Riot could double again, says Chris. Bell, I missed it, I know. Is your portfolio still down 40? No, nowhere near, Grippy. Just watched your video on when you got rid of margin. Oh, yeah. Yeah, no, way up from there now. Woot, great day, close of the day. Been doing exams for the last 2 months. Done and back with the family again. Max H. Great to have Max H here. He's got his gold badge as well now. I've noticed you've got a gold badge. You've been a member for at least a year. Why can some stocks be traded during after hours and pre-market like Tesla and Virgin and others are open to non-trade? Jordan Allen. All stocks trade 24/7 from Sunday night to Friday evening. All stocks. All stocks on the New York Stock Exchange trade 24 hours a day from Sunday 7 o'clock to Friday 7 o'clock. Every single one. The reason why you can't is because you don't use Robinhood. And if you do use Robinhood, they have so many already and they're adding all the time. There's no reason why they can't add them all. It's just for whatever reason, they're rolling out a few at a time. But all stocks for institutions and the big boys trade 24 hours a day. Most of my stocks now I can access 24 hours a day. There's a few left to do, but yes, you can. It's always been available to the institutions and the big boys, just not you. Charlie Munger has died. Charlie Munger has died. Of course, Warren Buffett's partner. That's very sad to hear, of course, on our show. Chris Pickering, may he rest in peace. Thank you for sharing that. Stockwitz just suspended me from liking indefinitely. Suspended you? Only temporarily, right? I mean, you can't suspend you for liking stuff. That's impossible, right? Anyway, how can you be banned for being positive and liking stuff? I don't believe that for a minute. Anyway, Mike, I'm sure you'll be fine. Just go steady. Just go steady. Right, I've got to go. It's world premiere time. World premiere. Here it is. We're going to go now to the Lunar Stock Review. Here it is. In the chat, everyone join me to keep the conversation going. Let me just go turn members only off a minute. Subscribers, yes. Save. Okay, there's the link in the chat. We're going to go there right now. Customization. Take the video to Lunar. Lunar is live in 3 minutes time. This video will take you directly there. This is everybody watching on Kick and Rumble and everywhere else. Come and join me on YouTube for this amazing review. This is for Steve Wally. Is Steve Wally here? Is Robinhood better than Trading 212? Hang on a minute. Let me give you this. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Invite friends. See here? I'm going to give you this. I've got 10 seconds to do it. I'm going to give you the chance to get some free stocks using my review, right? Between $5 and $200. Okay, so share link, copy. So you can see me doing it. This is my actual account, my real money in the chat. If you set this up, Jordan, you'll get some free stocks from free shares, and I will guide you through it and support you every way I can. There it is. There is your link. All right. Let me know tomorrow what you've got, and I'll tell you what I've got, and we can share it, and we can all celebrate. I wish you the best of luck. Thanks for today, Martin. You're very, very welcome. Tomorrow, Berkshire might drop. I doubt that very much. I doubt that very much. All right, folks, I've got to go. Let's get out of here quick. Let me get the sound effects going. We're going to go to world premiere. Cannot get Robin. Oh, in the UK. You will in a couple of weeks. Or any day now, for that matter. Right, this is where we're going now, everybody. Come and join me for the world premiere. And this review will take you directly to the next review. There's 2 reviews back to back. You want to join me for this? You don't want to miss it. There's the review. All right, let's get out of here. It starts in a minute. Join me for that. Let's roll the credits. Here we go. Thanks everyone for joining me. It's world premiere time. Come and join me for that. We're going to go and watch and learn about this particular company, which is Intuitive Machines. And then right after that, we've got another one. And you can continue the chat. It's open to all. Everybody can be in chatting with me. Subscribers, Brian, Billy, Super Chats, Jordan, Allen. Thank you, Jordan, for that super chat. What a day it was. Super happy to see your breaking portfolio value records, Mike. Congratulations. Sea Lover. Thank you very, very much indeed. And it's still going up now. Yeah, we're at 59 grand. Very, very good. We'll be at 60,000 probably by the end of the year because we've got about 550 coming in just from dividends. Just from dividends. So we're at 59.5 just for that. So, you know, it's going to be good. Right, that's it. I'll see you all back for the premiere in a moment. This is the premiere. You can already join me there. It starts in just a couple of seconds. I will end this video, and this video will take you directly into that video, and you'll see it start to count down in a second, and we'll all be there. Are you ready? You excited? You better be. Let's see. Let's have a quick look. How many joined us today? 165. We got 6,000 in the last 48 hours. 12,088. Whoa! 12,095. That went round quick. And, yep, that's good. Everyone smashed the like. Let's get ready for the premiere. Oh, here it goes. So that's it from me. See you over here on the live premiere. Until then, as always, take care of your money, yourselves, your crypto, and each other. See you back live in the chat over here now for our next review. Bye-bye for now. Take care.